What you see behind me is the all-new Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept. We took the body of the A6 e-tron concept we revealed 1 year ago and put a cabin of a highly attractive Avant on top of it, and the result is just stunning. We have very good proportions. The technical layout is brilliant because we have a long wheelbase for the huge battery, huge wheels, small overhangs and a low overall height. And this is of course a perfect basement for us designers. And of course we did some tricks. For example, this aluminium application which runs alongside the body side and it goes into the spoiler, and this makes the car visually lower than it physically is. Talking about the front end, of course, the most important thing is the inverted face. We took our well-known single frame, brightened it up in body color and put it into a black mask. And this mask includes light functions, air curtains, sensors, and from 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an Audi, and in the same time you can see it's electric. Another detail are the very slim headlights, and they will become the slimmest we will bring into production. And one advantage for the customer, he can individually configure his own daytime running light signature. My favorite perspective is the rear end, because this rear end shows how attractive this car is. It's 100% Audi because you can see this slim cabin which sits on these huge shoulders. This is beautiful. And then of course we have three details. The spoiler, which is floating. This is very good for aerodynamics as well. Like the rear diffuser, which also helps to bring the drag coefficient down. Then of course we have this huge light band, which is typical Audi. It features OLED technology, also a very characterful design element. To sum it up, I would definitely say the Audi A6 Avant e-tron concept is a perfect combination out of functionality and beautiful aesthetics.